So, hello everyone. Let's do another example. We're going to try to find the zeros of this polynomial, and we're going to be using factoring methods. So, what can we take out of this polynomial to make it simpler? We can take out a negative, and what's another number that we can take out? We can take out a 5, a negative 5. So, the polynomial will look like this now. So what we will get, and I forgot to mention this, but you could also, what we realized also is we can take out an x value as well. So what we're left with is an x squared minus 4x plus 1. And we're almost done. And what we get here is negative 5x is equal to 0. And if we divide by negative 5 on both sides, we're still going to get 0. So x is equal to 0 is one of our zeros. And then this x squared minus 4x, so x squared minus 4x plus 1, it doesn't factor into anything right now, so we're going to be using completing the square. So if we have plus 1, we're going to use to complete the square method. We're going to move it to the right. So what we're going to get, we're going to leave some space here. We're going to get negative 1 because we moved it to the right. After this, we're going to complete the square. So complete the square. What we're going to do is use a negative 4 divided by 2. And we're going to use negative 4 divided by 2 and then make it become into negative 2, and then we're going to square it. And what we will get is we will be getting positive 4. So positive 4. And we'll be moving this to both sides. After this, we can see that, so let's write this down here, x squared minus 4x plus 4, and if we add these up together, negative 1 plus 4 is negative 3. Oh, sorry, 3, positive 3. And when we figure out that this is factorable, we get x minus 2 squared is equal to 3. So what can we do after this? We have to get rid of the squared, so we can square root both sides of the equation. And what we'll get is x minus 2, and once we square something, we'll get a positive negative out of it. So positive and negative the square root of 3. And after this, we can move this negative 2 to the right, and what we'll get is x is equal to 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. And we just got our other 0, and we're done. I hope this helped. With a little bit more practice, you probably got it. But that's all. Goodbye.